Hi, this is Deepa. I am going to discuss about de Morgan's theorem and boolean algebra. In de Morgan theorem, we have two types. One is de Morgan theorem 1 and de Morgan theorem 2. Let us see what is de Morgan theorem 1 and what is de Morgan theorem 2. De Morgan theorem 1 says that a and b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. That is, first, not all the variables change and to r and r to and then not the result. This is what is being done in De Morgan theorem 1. This can be used to simplify the complex Boolean expressions. Next, we will see what is De Morgan theorem 2. De Morgan theorem 2 says that a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar b bar. That is, first not all the variables change and to r and r to and then not the result. That is what is done in De Morgan theorem 2. And it can be also used to simplify the Boolean expressions. Next is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra has got many laws in that. These are the four important laws that we are having, and each law can be in AND form and OR form. First is identity law. Identity law says that in AND form 1 into x is equal to x. Here x represents either it can be 0 or 1. In R form, x plus 0 is equal to x. Null law. Null law says that in AND form, 0 into x is equal to 0. In R form, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Idempotent law says that x into x is equal to x. In AND form, x plus x is equal to x in R form. Inverse law. Inverse law says that x bar is equal to 0. That is, x ANDed with x bar is equal to 0 in AND form and x plus x bar is equal to 1 in R form. This is what is the basic laws of Boolean algebra. And these laws can be used to simplify the Boolean or complex Boolean expressions. Next is Boolean algebra with three simple laws. These laws are very much important. One is commutative law, second one is associative law, and third one is distributive law. Commutative law in AND form says that x ANDed with y or y ANDed with x. Both are same. X ANDed with y is same as y ANDed with x. And in R form it says that x plus y, that is x ORed with y, is same as y ORed with x. Associative law. Associative law says that either we first AND xy then AND it with z is same as first AND yz and AND it with x. Both are same. That is what is the meaning of associative law in AND form. Next, associative law says that x plus y is ORed first, then the result is ORed with the z. Is same as first OR y and z variables and the result can be added to x. Either we do this way or this way. Both are same. That is what is the associative law says. And third one is distributive law. Distributive law is combination of AND OR forms. X plus yz is same as or will have the same result as x plus y ANDed with x plus z result. In R form, we have x multiplied with y plus z is equal to same as xy plus xz. So this is what is the distributive law in R form. These are the basic De Morgan theorems and Boolean algebra. With the help of De Morgan theorem and Boolean algebra, we can simplify any complex expression. And this is the example of Boolean algebra. Say there is a function f and the dependent variables are x, y and z, and the function is equal to x z bar plus y. Now we will see how this can be implemented. F is a function of 3 variables, so 2 raised to 3 length of the sequence it can have. So we will have 8 combinations of the input and corresponding z output or f output. When x, y and z all 3 are 0, output is 0. Similarly, when x and y are 0 and z is 1, output is 0. When all are high, the output is high. This is how this function can be implemented and truth table can be found for the Boolean algebra. Thank you.